All right, I'm trying to get to the Myoruji Ninja Temple. It's around here. I think it's back there. I don't know how to get to it. Talk about Ninja Temple. Jeez. But yeah, everything I'm filming in this video is going to be with the BOYA Mic Mini 2. It's going to be with this mic. I'm actually wearing it right now. And yeah, everything you hear in this video is recorded with this mic.
This is the BOYA Mini 2. It's one of the smallest wireless mics on the market, weighing just 5 grams. It's packed with AI noise cancellation, studio-grade 24-bit audio, and a 30-hour battery life with the case.
This is like the hardest temple to find. Okay, so the sign on this door back here says this is the back gate and to walk along the path where I just was to get to the front. So I just like walking back and forth apparently. But yeah, as I was trying to say earlier, I am recording everything with the BOYA Mic Mini 2 and with everything's connected to the Pocket 3 because it works great with the Pocket 3. And this thing is absolutely tiny, like look at this thing.
Despite the tech inside, the charging case is incredibly compact, roughly the same size as an AirPods Pro case. But the real star is the transmitter. It's tiny and weighs only 5 grams. That's less than 2 pennies. It comes in 2 finishes, a matte black and lunar silver. It's so light that you can clip it onto a shirt without any of that annoying sagging or pulling.
Of course. The good news is I found the front of the building. The bad news is it is closed today for building repairs. I don't know if it'll be open again later, so I'll try again next time. I am here for another full week, so I'll check it out sometime next week. All right, let's go to this other district that's nearby. Oh, no! Let's go to this other district that's nearby, Nishichaya district. It's right across the street from the temple over here, so let's go that way. But yeah, this road is a little bit noisy, so let's turn on noise cancellation. I can do it here from the mic with how it sounds, but I can also do it from the receiver too. So let's turn it on, off from here. And this is how it sounds with the noise cancellation off. And then once again, just real quick, let's turn it back on. And that's with the noise cancellation back on. Can you tell the difference? How does it sound?
The real magic is a true AI noise cancellation. It's trained on over 700,000 real-world samples to distinguish your voice from other chaos. You get 2 modes, light for cutting out AC hum indoors, and strong, which suppresses up to 40 decibels of traffic or wind. It's basically a mute button for the outside world.
I actually don't know how it sounds. I haven't listened to it with the noise cancellation on before, so I guess we're finding out together. But yeah, here is the Nishichaya district. The Nishichaya district is kind of empty. Let's just walk through here real quick anyways. Oh, let's go to this museum, it's free. It is loud. Should I turn on noise cancellation? But yeah, as I was saying, it's a little bit of a wash today, but they had the light-up bus going on tonight, the Kanazawa light-up bus. So we're gonna head back to the hotel for a little bit, dry off, fix whatever's going on up here, and the hair, not my brain. And head out tonight, check out this light-up bus, and do some research and see where it goes. But yeah, we'll be filming the BOYA Mic Mini 2 all night, so I'll see you again later tonight. So yeah, it doesn't appear that anyone else is doing this light up bus thing except for me. Whatever. Let's check out this something. Hopefully something's lit up.
Let's talk value. You can pick up the BOYA Mini 2 starting around $35 for a single transmitter setup. If you want the full kit with 2 mics and a USB-C or Lightning receiver, you're looking at about $55. There's even a universal bundle that includes both the USB-C and Lightning receivers for about $65. Considering you're getting 24-bit audio and AI noise cancellation at this price, it's a massive upgrade for any mobile creator's kit.
I could be wrong, but I don't think anything's happening here tonight. no one's here. Oh, so that's the park up there, and that's definitely closed because it's dark as can be up here. And all the restaurants here are pretty much dark too. Okay, you know what? You don't need to go that way. Let's check out the Castle Park, see if that's open or not.
I was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart. That is when I found you, you could see right through me.
Well, there's some people walking through here, so should be fine, right? When I say a few people, I mean like I've seen 3 people, so that counts as a few. Here's the castle.
I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in the sun, all in the sun. On top of the world, I'd save every moment. Nothing can break us apart. Let us show to the tune. I know that do whatever I like because I have you right by my side. I know that you are.
So yeah, that's the BOYA Mini 2. I think I kept calling it the mic Mini 2 in this video, but you know what I was talking about, the mic. So yeah, let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna head back inside because 1, it's dark, 2, it's getting real cold. See ya.